my journey to clear out as many toxins as possible from my home began almost 20 years ago when my 18-year-old son developed cancer. At that point, I became very serious about using non-toxic products. When thinking about removing toxins, it is important to think about what goes in or on your body. If you're tired of using harsh chemicals in your home and need a fresh start both for you and your family's health, stick with me, because in this video I'm going to show you how to get started with 7 easy steps for embracing a more natural approach. Also, we're going to do this with ingredients that are easy to get and very affordable. So grab your vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils because it's time to clean with a conscience and save money as well. Step 1. Declutter and breathe. Before diving in, if you can, give your home a good exhale. Indoor air quality can be up to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air. Open windows and doors and flush out the stagnant air and lingering smells. Take this opportunity to declutter, donate, or recycle items that no longer serve you. Less clutter means less dust and grime, making cleaning easier and also goes a long way to reduce stress and increase mental focus. Step 2. Leverage houseplant power. Houseplants are nature's little air purifiers, absorbing toxins like formaldehyde and benzene through their leaves. They even release moisture, diluting pollutants and boosting humidity. Top detoxifying choices include the peace lily, aloe vera, spider plant, Boston fern, and chrysanthemums. For best results, place your plants strategically. Put plants near potential pollution sources like furniture made with pressed wood or electronics. Think about grouping them up. A plant jungle in one area creates a concentrated air purifying zone. Also, it is important to keep them healthy. Thriving plants are better detoxifiers, so provide them with proper light, water, and fertilizer. Houseplants do more than just clean the air. They also may boost creativity, reduce stress, and even improve sleep quality. By adding these leafy wonders to your home, you're not just detoxifying your indoor environment, you're creating a haven for your mind, body, and soul. Step 3. The kitchen. The kitchen is the heart of the home, but often bears the brunt of toxic cleaners and air pollutants. It is important to use a range hood when cooking to reduce pollutants like particulate matter, nitrogen dioxide, and carbon monoxide. Cooking on the back burners can also help minimize fumes and steam. For kitchen cleaning, try filling a spray bottle filled with equal parts vinegar and water. This is an all-purpose solution for grease, grime, and hard water stains. For a little fragrance boost, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to the mix. For stubborn gunk, sprinkle baking soda on a damp cloth and scrub gently. Natural dishwashing soap diluted with water works wonders on greasy surfaces, while a cut lemon tackles burnt pots and pans like a charm. Focusing on healthy organic food is great, but remember to also think about using non-toxic cooking pans and storage containers whenever possible. Some good choices of materials to consider when choosing these are stainless steel. A good choice for dry goods and non-acidic foods. Stainless steel is durable and doesn't rust. Avoid storing acidic foods as they can leach metals. Cast iron. Excellent for heat retention and searing. Cast iron requires seasoning, but becomes naturally non-stick over time. Choose pre-seasoned options for convenience. Ceramic. Non-stick and scratch-resistant, ceramic comes in 2 main types, glazed and unglazed. Glazed ceramic is easier to clean but may contain trace amounts of lead, while unglazed requires more care but doesn't have this concern. Non-porous and non-reactive ceramic containers are also ideal for storing food in the fridge or freezer. Choose lead-free options for complete safety. Glass. The safest option. Glass is inert, non-porous, and won't leach chemicals into your food. Enamelware. Durable and chip-resistant, enamelware features a porcelain coating over metal. Make sure the enamel is lead-free and avoid chipping, as the metal underneath could leach into the food. Food-grade silicone. Heat-resistant and versatile, silicone containers are lightweight and flexible. Choose BPA-free and food-grade silicone for safety. Bamboo. A sustainable and renewable resource, bamboo containers are naturally antibacterial and non-toxic. Make sure they are lined with a food-grade material like food-grade lacquer or beeswax. Avoid plastic food containers, especially those with BPA, PVC, or other toxic chemicals. These chemicals can leach into your food and pose health risks. Remember, the best choice for you will depend on your needs and your preferences. Consider your budget, cooking style, storage needs, and environmental impact when making your decision. And when washing these pots and pans, try a DIY dishwasher blend in the description below. Step 4. The bathroom. Our skin is the biggest organ of our body and easily absorbs whatever we put on it. Skip the soap bars for Castile soap scented with essential oils. Swap synthetic deodorants containing aluminum for the power of baking soda and arrowroot powder. Trade synthetic shaving gels for nourishing coconut oil, and pamper your skin with a post-shave aloe vera treatment. If you want to go a step further with analyzing and choosing clean beauty products, there are phone apps that you can use to scan the barcodes of each product in the store and get instant results regarding the potentially toxic ingredients in your cosmetics and personal care products. Think Dirty and Yuka for Apple phones and INCI Beauty for Android users are some good choices to check out. With each natural swap, you'll feel the difference on your body and your body will thank you for it. Bathrooms deserve a detox cleaning too. Mix baking soda with Castile soap to create a potent paste. You can spread this on shower walls and tile, leave it on for 15 minutes, then scrub and rinse. This magic mix tackles soap scum and mildew, leaving your bathroom shining. Disinfect toilets with a 1-part vinegar to a 2-part water solution, and for your mirror, a water and rubbing alcohol mix makes it shine. Finally, fill a diffuser with an invigorating essential oil like lavender or lemongrass for a fragrant oasis. Number 5. Bedroom retreat. Bedrooms need serenity, not chemicals. To refresh bedding, sprinkle baking soda on mattresses and pillows. Leave it on for an hour and then vacuum it up. This neutralizes odors and dust mites. For hardwood floors, mix olive oil and lemon juice in a spray bottle and mop for a natural shine. Walls can be gently wiped with a damp cloth dipped in a diluted vinegar solution. Finally, diffuse calming essential oils like lavender or chamomile before bed, setting the stage for a restful night's sleep. Step 6. The living room. Living rooms also deserve a refresh. Sprinkle baking soda on carpets to freshen, leave it on for 30 minutes and then vacuum it up. Upholstery can be revived with a fabric steamer, while wooden surfaces appreciate a wipe down with olive oil and vinegar. It nourishes the wood and leaves a gentle sheen. As for windows, a simple solution of water and mild dish soap makes them sparkle. Step 7. Laundry. Swap laundry detergents loaded with synthetics for washing soda. Its alkalinity tackles dirt and grime while being gentle on fabrics. Add a sprinkle of borax as a natural booster or let the sun work its magic by line drying your clothes. Wool dryer balls are a great substitute for fabric softeners laced with artificial scents. They reduce static and have the added benefit of adding a natural fragrance with a few drops of essential oils. For stubborn stains on clothes, reach for a paste of baking soda and water for grease, lemon juice for rust. Your clothes will not only feel softer and smell fresher, but will be clean on every level. Now breathe easy, relax, and appreciate your efforts. By completing these steps using simple, affordable ingredients, you've cleared your home of many toxins. Remember, a little DIY detox goes a long way. Check out the description below for a list of the tips on this video. Keep these natural cleaning solutions on hand and enjoy the sweet scent of a clean, green, and healthy home. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and have a great day.